Okay, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my name is Sigit Rudi Purnomo. I'm from Situbondo, and now I'm studying in Jember University, major in tourism. And my last study number is 049. Okay, and now I want to tell you and I want to present a journal that I search for on Google Scholar. Analysis of the title is Revenge Tourism Analysis of Tourism Interest Post COVID-19. And first, I want to tell you about the tourism industry. Okay, the tourism industry is one of the foreign exchange earning sectors highest for Indonesia. Okay, based on data from the Ministry of Tourism, total Indonesia tourism foreign exchange in 2018 was 19.29 million dollar. Okay, apart from that, it's the biggest contribution for foreign exchange for 5 next year. Okay, but in year in year 2020 saw the spread of the COVID-19 virus, which has a big impact on Indonesia and world tourism. That on data from World Travel and Student Council, Indonesia is number one in Southeast Asia as fastest growing country in tourism sector. Ministry Tourism Protector sector tourism as core economy, and according to data from the Central Statistics Agency, number of foreign arrival by air is follow. Based on the data above, the amount foreign tourism visit experienced a significant decline from February to June 2020 year. There is a pandemic request people to reducing activity in public space to reduce the risk of contracting the virus COVID-19. It is then can cause boredom led to stress and depressions because pandemic conditions that have not yet ended. This boredom unlimitedly creates people then do reverse of throw away boredom with activity which on likes or which interests, according to Kerjaya 2019. 2019. Trips made by tourists after months staying at home because of the pandemic COVID-19 is called replay tourism, revenge or revenge tourism. Tourist travel or tourist activity at tourist attraction they are interest. Type of research course is quantitative research with results that are processed mathematically using the SPPSS applications. This research is more specifically using quantitative methods descriptive. namely by personalized data as in actually from the conditional result. From the data that has been obtained will be precise and conclusions are drawn regarding interest tourists after the COVID-19 pandemic based on questions submitted on the questionnaire. Okay, and in this research, it was distributed questions to respondents with using AIDA scores indicator to access to post-tourist interactions COVID-19 pandemic with analysis of four elements, uh, namely attitude, and interest, and desire, and action. Okay, distribution of questionnaires was distribution of questionnaires was carried on randomly online to be more activity and efficiently as well data range can obtain broader and more varied with the minimum target sample size in 100. The sampling technique used is a random sampling technique where sample can request the population. There is data analysis was carried out using the statistical application package for the social sciences SPSS by looking for the description functional is the data that has been options for the questionnaire. There are the question attraction of three part consists of question in the part 1 in the form of tourism demography, for example age, education, domicile, and profession, and on part 2 contains question with 1 and 4 response scale of type of questions, either with the number 1 responding answer strongly disagrees, agree, neutral, agree and scale, and number 4 for agree and scale, and number 5 for the strongly agree answer. Okay, on section 3 asks related question budget, prepare for the post-pandemic travel, legate of stay or stay time for the traveling post-pandemic, the type of tourism that will select, and step and top 3 international destination on national once you want to visit post the COVID-19 pandemic.
Based on the diagram above, it looks out of the total 261 respondents were dominated by us women, as many as 6 8 16.14% and men 31.41%. Based on the diagram above, it can be seen that out of a total of 261 respondents were 18.49 or as many 291 respondents dominated by respondents 8 and 19 to 29 years. On the diagram above, it can be seen that out of a total of 261 Respondents in this study dominates by respondents with university level education equivalence, namely 63.898% or as many as 167 respondents. And of the total respondent as many as 261 respondents are active. 1.97 respondents. Domiciled in West Java is the largest, namely followed by respondents in DKI Jakarta is 3.45% or as many as 9 respondents. Based on diagram above, it can be seen that out of a total of 261 respondents, this study is by respondent who want to travel with a budget of that size 1 to 3 millions, namely 18 to 13 respondents or 31.18%, followed with respondents on the budget towards less than 1 million rupiah, that is as many as 7 to 17 respondents or 7.59%. Based on the diagram above, it seems that out of a total 261 respondents in this study, managed by respondents who are planning to visit the destination domestic tourism is 2022 respondents are acting for 0.09%, while respondents are planning visiting regions tourism destination country there were 37 respondents or amounting to 14.18%. From the graph presence, you can 161 respondents in this study divided by respondents who want to travel for 4 days, namely as many as 92 respondents or amount 34.25%. From the survey result, obtained data on the 3 types of the tourism that are most popular. The urban tourism is the one most popular by base check, amounting to 24.910%, followed by tourism mountain nature and culinary tourism with Sims French ticket fees 20.14%. From the survey result, that there are 68 tourist destinations different choice respondents to visit post-pandemic, but the author tries to determine 3 domestic destinations. The one you must want to visit is Labuan Bajo, Yogyakarta. Have the same number of fans, 12.64%, apart from these 2 destinations. Bali is one of the three domestic destinations, the one you must want to visit with prestige 10.34%. The rest amounting to 16.37%. Just other destinations spread over 16.5 destinations point difference. The survey result obtained there are four tourist destinations. Different choice respondent to visit post-pandemic, but the other test determined three access destinations. The one you must want to visit is South Korea. Is a destination the one you must want to visit with percentage 23.75%, followed by country Japan with percentage of 16.09%, and finally the country Singapore with a percentage of 9.96%. It is known from the data that as many as 141 respondents of 53.81% select agree to know the information about destination from social media or internet. In the second question, about the respondents knowing information about tourist destination from the respondents' family or friends voted. Agree was 114.3 respondents or 54.58%. On the third question is the respondent find out destination information from TV or radio is dominated by answer neutral as 106 respondents or 14.45%. This one results same percentage for questions for regarding destination information. It can be known from the data about the interest aspect in the IDA scale on the question of frequency go on tourist trip. As much as possible, 114 respondents or 43.89% voted neutral. Meanwhile, on the second questions about respondents being happy to go on tourism trip get dominant answer strongly agree as many as 1013 respondents or 49.61%. For the third questions about his hobby of traveling tourism as many as 19 respondents or 35.187% chose neutral. In the desire aspect, you get it data as follows for questions about tourist experience for take a post tour pandemic obtains results dominated by the answer very agree, namely 1008 respondents or 48.84% and 92 agree people or 35.11% on questions secondly about tourist enthusiasms to travel post pandemic result obtained as many as 101 respondents or 38.86% 54% vote agree, and 77 people or 29.38% chose the answer strongly agree. So final questions about doing tourist travel is think tourists are waiting for as many as 110 respondents or 41.98% chose very agree, and 94 respondents or 35.87% select agree. On the final aspect of AIDA or the actions aspect to get results as follow, as many as 118 respondents or 45.0% answer agree to plan to do it post pandemic travel COVID-19, and 619 respondents or 26.33% chose strongly agree. Question the seconds content preparation budget for traveling post pandemic COVID-19 as many as 118 people or 14.03% chose the answer neutral, and 15 people 9 people or 2022.51% just agreed in the next questions, namely about preparation related to the wish list destination to be visited post pandemic. Result obtained as many as 101 respondents or 38.54% voted agree, while there were 718 people or 29.177 answer natural.
Reference tourism research post-pandemic tourism interest COVID-19 is carried out to find out tourists' interest in traveling in terms of destination, type of tourism, and other factors, as such knowledge and information available until by tourist actor in destinations and government for create and employment mitigation to deal with surger tourists who travel tourists after the COVID pandemic. From the result obtained, you can it was concluded that destination in country such as Labuan Bajo, the Yogyakarta, Bali, and Bali, while for the most popular type tourism is marine tourism, mountain natural tourism, and cultural tourism. The budget prepared by tourists where start from 190 million on stay time for the traveling during 3 or 4 day tourists to looking forward to doing travel after the COVID pandemic. Apart from that mitigation is known what the destination must do, which is much sought after by tourists, including marine tourism destination, mountain tourism, and cultural tourism domestically to prepare attracting sugar in tourists during post-pandemic tourism activity down. Aligned with the program Ministry of Tourism and Economic Creative Republic of Indonesia for advancing Indonesia domestic tourism post-pandemic, the implementation mitigation in the form of the chase, clean, healthy, safely, and equipment. Okay, thanks for your attention and for your click in my video, and yeah, see you next time, and bye bye. Okay.